The One campaign is an advocacy organization. We deploy a combination of policy work and media work and research and popular mobilization, primarily to try to encourage donor countries to improve their policies and to help promote development, particularly in Africa. Focus on aid quantity, aid quality, trade justice, and debt cancellation primarily in Africa. We've got an office in Washington, D.C., and we have 2 million, slightly over 2 million member activists now in the USA. So this One Africa Award, what is it? Well, as I mentioned, we're an advocacy organization. We don't fund development projects in developing countries. But we wanted to find a way of supporting the real heroes and heroines of African civil society whose daily victories in the fight against poverty and injustice are the things that really inspire us all and keep us going and give us hope even when it feels like hard work. What we were looking for was innovation, impact, accountability, partnership, coordination, all the things that we've been talking about in the last couple of days that really make our work effective. But I'm going to hand over to Edith Jibono, who is our Africa Outreach Manager, and she's going to give you a bit of a flavor of some of the people who, some of the fantastic organizations that applied for this first One Africa Award. Thanks very much. Edith.
Thank you, Ollie. I just want to say right at the top that this was a really hard job to do. We were overwhelmed by the response, and as one of the people who had to read through all of them, I have to say the caliber of the applications we received was exceptional. And now please allow me to hand you over to Dr. K.Y. Amwako, Director of the African Center for Economic Transformation, who will introduce the winner of the 2008 One Africa Award. KY has joined us from the final stages of the HLF negotiations on behalf of Southern Partners, so we're especially grateful for him making the time out to be here today. Thank you.
One, and its previous incarnation, data. And I'm very, very proud to be a member of the One's Policy Advisory Board. It is in that capacity that I've been invited here to make this presentation. I'm delighted, therefore, to announce the winner of this year's One Award, the very first such award. It is the Development Communications Network, based in Lagos, Nigeria. Development Communications actively engages media in the development process with a strong emphasis on science and public health journalism. Before I invite Akin Jimo from Development Communications to come and accept this prize, let me tell you a little about what we have learned about the organization and why they were, in the end, given this award. First, their focus is on child and maternal health. In Africa, we are not making near enough progress on reducing maternal mortality and the deaths of children from preventable, treatable diseases. MDG 4 and 5, the neglected MDGs, have been given a huge boost by Development Communications work with the media in Nigeria. They have employed a truly innovative approach to reaching their goals. Development Communications doesn't just run one-off training sessions for journalists. It arranges total immersion for reporters on the issues and connects them with mentors. So far, They have done this immersion training with 32 reporters from all around Nigeria, 3 of whom are here, I believe. They achieve results. There has been a marked increase in the coverage of children and maternal health issues in the Nigerian media. That has already had a huge impact on the awareness of politicians and the public. And free maternal and child health care is now a reality in around 20 states in Nigeria, although major quality issues remain. Finally, accountability. Development communications makes that critical link between the practical daily work of improving public health services with citizens through the media. Information is power. For citizens, for civil society, and for governments, we will all do a better job of development and aid effectiveness with better information and debate. The media is critical to the promotion of transparency, and with the right focus, can be key players in ensuring that resources are effectively channeled and bring about the desired results. Akin, I'm therefore pleased to present the one award to the Development Communications Network.
This award is not for DEFCOMS alone. It's for all of us because we are all one. This award is not for celebration. It's for more work to be done. There is one thing to celebrate, oh, we've got this, but there's a lot of work to do, and we can't do it alone. I thank you very much for listening. Thank you.